Welcome to Svalbard Husky. There are over 1,200 dogs in Svalbard, and they love to run. Mushing sleds in the winter and mushing carts on wheels in the summer.
So, all these dogs are very, very friendly. They love cuddles.
Well, they do love cuddles.
So, these are the cats. Right and left. It's like a bicycle, yeah?
The most challenging part is getting the dogs harnessed in pairs and ready to run.
That is exhausting. I'm so sweaty.
And off we go. I am shocked at how strong these dogs are. We have to keep them at a slower trot so they don't overheat in this summer weather. They need frequent breaks on hot days like today. Each of these dogs has a distinct personality, and as we are heading home, we pass another team of dogs heading into town. After the run, instead of dog treats, we reward them with more cuddles and a photo shoot. Meet Thor and Broccoli.